Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Namita. So today I will be showing you all my short kurtis that I have. I love kurtis more than anything and ये इस चीज़ का भूत मुझे मेरी बहन से सवार हुआ है. So yeah. Let me tell you one thing. I used to see my sister wear kurtis in her college time, and I was like, I want to wear kurtis as well when I'm in college. And then I started wearing kurti, and now I love it more than anything. I love kurtis more than, t-shirts and shirts and whatever. One more thing, I am a shorty, and so that's why I wear short kurtis because when I wear long kurti like this, I look more short, and I feel like short kurtis look very trendy, very nice, and very cute. So, yeah, today I'll be showing you all the kurtis that I have, and let's just move on to the video. So, first, I have this red kurti top, and I find it really, really cute. I don't remember it well where it's from, but I guess it's from either Mintra or it's either from Misho because it has been really long since I ordered it. And I have not wore it outside because of the deep neckline and stuff, but I find it really cute and I have definitely wore it on some of my videos, but I don't remember well. So now we have this cotton printed kurti. Now ये मेरी बहन ने मुझे दी थी, so मुझे exactly याद नहीं है कि वो जयपुर से लाई थी या फिर वो पुष्कर से लाई थी, but I find it really really cute and it's actually very comfortable. Now one more thing, मुझे जयपुर जाने का बहुत मन था and Jaipur is one of my dream city to visit, but anyways, she at least got me a kurti and this as well. So I'm not mad. Come on. I find it really cute though. It's so nice. So now this blue kurti is also given by my sister and I find it really really cute. To be honest, blue is one of my favorite colors and this navy blue just suits my skin really really well. It is very comfortable and I can wear it anywhere because I am a kurti paglu, of course. Don't you guys think blue suits me so well? Because I do. So now we have this really really pretty kurti. Now I ordered it from Misho and I find it really really cute. This is one of my favorites. I can also tie according to my preference and this just suits my body so well. It just hugs my body and it's so cute. I just love how it looks and the fabric is also really really nice. I didn't expected it from Misho, but you know what? They did a really good job. So when I saw it on Misho, I was like, I have to get it because I wanted to get Dori wali kurti for so long. So I ordered a lot of it. And कुछ कुछ की तो fitting इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, but this looks really really good. So now this kurti is also from Misho and the size of it is small. वैसे मुझे size small नहीं आता है, but इसमें और कोई size available नहीं था और मुझे ये कुर्ती बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी सी लग रही थी तो मैंने बोला small ही मंगा लेते हैं, क्या ही हो जाएगा. Fitting is nice, I would say. मतलब मुझे लूज नहीं हो रही है, मैं इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि टांग दिया गया है बिल्कुल भी. This is actually very comfortable and the fabric is also really nice and the print, like come on. The print is also nice. I like this detailing here and I feel like this just makes the kurti more cute and more detailed. So now we have this white printed kurti. Now मुझे ये कुर्ती पसंद है but there is one issue कि इसका fabric जो है ये थोड़ा सा thin है which is a little bit see through. I like the sleeves of it. The sleeves are really cute. The print is very cute but for the fabric it's a no for me. I won't wear it like anywhere outside. So now we have this blue flower printed kurti and I find it really cute. मैंने इसे बहुत बार पहना है. It is one of my favorites and it is very very comfortable. I like the patterns, I like the design, I like how cute this is. This kurti suits me really really well and so I love it so much. Now I don't know ये कुर्ती कैमरे में कैसी लग रही है but ये सामने से बहुत ही क्यूट लगती है. This is a size small I guess if I'm not wrong. I love the color combination in it, like it has a little bit of yellow, grey and also light blue and white, so like it's a overall 9 out of 10 for me. So now we have this really pretty white kurti. At first जब इसका ट्रेंड चल रहा था मेरा बिल्कुल भी मंगाने का मन नहीं था because I was like everyone is wearing this kurti and what is so special about it. So I wanted to order some short kurtis for myself and this is the third kurti that I ordered. Now when I wear it I find it really cute. I was wrong about it. So overall I guess this kurti is a 8 out of 10 for me. So now we have this white kurti and it is from Zudio. When I saw this kurti on Zudio, I was like, I have to get it. It is in size extra small. मुझे इसकी sleeves बहुत ही प्यारी लगी थी, मुझे इसका print बहुत ही प्यारा लगा था and actually इसका style बहुत ही cute लगा था. मेरे पास ऐसी कोई कुर्ती नहीं थी, so I was like, let me just get this one kurti and I won't ask for any other kurti than this. बट फिर मुझे एक और मैक्स में पसंद आई. नाउ द फैब्रिक इज वेरी वेरी थिन. इट इज लाइक सो लाइट and I actually love it. Don't you guys think that this kurti is so cute? I love the style of it. So now I have this really pretty kurti and it is from Max. This is also one of my favorite kurtis. जब मैंने Max में देखा, I was like, the same as Zudio, come on. कि मेरे को ये कुर्ती लेने दो and I won't ask for another. Now I guess this was $7.99, but I guess it is like totally worth the price because of the style and everything. The sleeves, it has so much detailing in it. It is so comfortable. It is so cute. Nobody can stop me from buying kurtis at this point. I am so in love with this kurti. So now I have this really pretty pink nude kurti. So now this kurti is a birthday gift from Ruhi Didi. Thank you. I love it so much. This kurti is also one of my favorites, and to be honest, for a kurti lover person like me, kurtis are a total heaven. This color just complements my skin so much. So whenever I wear this kurti, I remember this one incident जो मेरे और आलू के साथ हुआ था. And हम लुलु गए हुए थे, उस दिन बारिश हो रही थी. So हम पूरी तरीके से भीग गए थे. मेरी कुर्ती, मेरी जीन्स पूरी तरीके से भीग गई थी. And then हमने इस कुर्ती को वॉशरूम में सुखाया था. So this kurti basically has memories. Talking about the fabric is so light. It is so comfortable and it is so cute. I love it. Now I have this really pretty yellow kurti. Now the one thing that I love about this kurti is the sleeves. But the one thing that I do not like about this kurti is the fitting. It is pretty loose to me. It is in size small and I feel like ऐसी कुर्तियों में मुझे extra small ही order करना चाहिए. But then obviously it was my mistake, but it's fine. I will get the fitting done. I love the color of it. I love the pattern, the design in it, and I totally love the sleeves. To be honest, everyone says that yellow suits me a lot. So I love this kurti, indeed. And now this kurti is from Meesho. So now I have the last kurti. Now it is a maroon printed kurti. It is the exact same as yellow one but in a different color. Now let me tell you, the fitting of the yellow is not nice, but the fitting of this is perfectly fine. I love how this kurti looks on me, to be honest, more than the yellow one. I feel I am in total love with the sleeves. These type of kurti just enhances the look more and more. Now Meesho has some really nice kurti collection, so now I have started ordering kurtis from Meesho, because in Flipkart and Myntra you will get the exact same product but indeed in like much higher prices, which I feel like, what is the need? Come on. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Do comment down below if you guys want the link of all of the kurtis that I showed you guys. Do let me know which kurti was one of your favorites. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Lots of love to you all and see you all next time. Bye bye.